So launching a new batch from Monday. So in case you want to join us for the CAT 21 program online, so please call the numbers given in the description box so that my team can help you out. So you can join for the complete program, or you can only join for the books, mocks, or the shortcuts. This question is very important, whether CAT will be a 2 hours का paper or 3 hours का paper. Sir, समझ नहीं आ रहा है whether to prepare for 2 hours or 3 hours. Boss, maths, verbal, logic, questions are all same na. How does it make a difference whether it's a 2 hour का paper or 3 hours का paper? Why are you getting confused? Yeah. See, we don't know as of today. Nobody knows that pattern is going to be 2 hours or 3 hours, because all depend upon COVID situation. All depend upon whether they want to change the pattern again. All depend on who is going to conduct the paper. अभी यही नहीं पता एज ऑफ टुडे कि पेपर कनेक्ट करेगा कौन, वेदर बी आई एम अहमदाबाद और बाय बैंगलोर और कैलकाटा, हु विल डू दैट, वी स्टिल डोंट नो. सो पैटर्न क्या होगा, हु कैन आइडेंटिफाई द पैटर्न, इज इम्पॉसिबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द पैटर्न. सो माय एडवाइस इज लेट्स कीप बोथ द ऑप्शंस ओपन. Anyway, your preparation not going to change till August. We'll come to know about this in August only. We cannot come to know about this before July or August. So March, April, May, June. Why to spoil my next 4 months waiting for the pattern to come? By the way, why you need the pattern? We need the pattern so that I can strategize with mocks. Fine. As of today, if you have joined free taking, we are only focused on the baby mocks. We're not looking at the advanced mocks as of today. So what difference does it make? Yeah. So we are launching a new batch from this Monday. In case you want to join our program, you can join the program. In this program, we are talking about the foundation first. पहले maths तो करना सीखो. First learn how to do maths, verbal, logic. Then we'll look at how to attempt a paper of 3 hours and 2 hours. That's my promise to you. You will be the first person to come to know about the new pattern from me. Yeah, from our channel. The moment the announcement come, I will be among the first people to make the video on that and give you the overview and your cutoff and target setting. So don't worry about that. There are two parts of a preparation and mock strategies. Preparation, you have to start from today so that I can do maths, verbal, logic, all the chapters, everything. Strategy, mock strategy, we have to look at in October, November, September, October, November, the ideal time to find a new mock strategy. So we can wait till that time. Okay, first focus on getting the score right, because that is very, very important. Yeah, I'm going to show you the syllabus of the CAT exam, so that you can also feel कि यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है पेपर ये हो या ये हो. Alright, let's look at the CAT paper. Alright, this is a new complete program here for CAT 21, CET 22, starting from today till November CAT exam, and then for the non-CAT exam. So if I look at this thing in details, so this Monday we are launching our new batch, which is 22nd of March, and then next 3 months, March, April, May till June 28th, we are going to complete the basics. Now for doing the basics, you don't need to know the pattern कि पेपर 3 घंटे का आएगा, 4 घंटे का आएगा. Then from July, August, September, October, we'll go for the pro level, advanced level. For pro level, I need to know how much speed I need to increase, how many questions I should solve. So that is your pro level. Yeah. And this is your basic level. So at basic level, it doesn't make a difference. And by this time, automatically we'll have an idea, because CAT announcement will come by that time. Yeah. Alright, so in case you want to join our program, you can just call the numbers given here. Yep, numbers are here. So you can call us for your books, mocks, shortcuts, or the complete e-class program in case you want to join us. So this is the main syllabus for the CAT exam. Now this is the complete syllabus here. Now from the verbal point of view, if I look at, we have RC based question. 2/3 of the paper is based on RC, business RCs, science based RC, social RC, humanities RC. I want to go deep down into each of them. See, maths may we have 20 chapters. So why consider RC as one chapter? I consider RC also as a multiple chapters. Same way, para jumble, para summary, odd man out, critical reasoning, para completion. This is the complete syllabus from the verbal point of view. Okay, so I wanted to focus on each of them. So by June end, we should be done with the basics, and target score in mocks 30 to 50 marks. DLR, logic based DI, arrangement, Venn diagram, fill in the blanks, new type question, games and tournament. That's the syllabus from the DLR point of view. Blood relationship, direction sense, syllogism, nothing is going to come in the exam. Yeah, but we need to do that for the basics, but they're not going to come in the exam. That's your syllabus. And rest everything is quant. Maximum number of chapters are in maths. So you can pause the video and check out the importance of each chapter of maths. So this is your complete syllabus for the CAT exam. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to complete the basics with orange books, which is the cutoff clearing books, and then go for the pro level books, which is a separate pack for target 99 percentile. Alright, so this is a complete syllabus for the CAT exam with importance of each of them, each topic. So you can just take a screenshot of this page so that you have these numbers in front of you. Okay, some of the topics in maths are comparatively more important: numbers, time, speed, distance, functions, logs, ratios, percentages. Rest everything else is 1 mark each. Area of volume also 2 questions. Alright, so let's target each of them. Step number 1, let's target to complete the full syllabus by June 30, as I shown you in my sheet earlier. Alright, so in case you want to join, you can just call the numbers given here. All the best.